What if you could make 0 this week using just AI without any special skills? The truth is, AI tools are literally printing money for regular people right now. Here are 3 free tools you can start using today. First, Copy.ai. This writes high-converting sales copy for your landing pages in seconds. People are using it to land clients on Upwork. Second, Canva's AI features design stunning social media graphics and sell templates on Etsy. One designer made $0K last month selling AI-generated templates. Third, ChatGPT for coding builds simple websites and apps for small businesses. No coding experience needed. Clients pay 00-000 per project. The barrier to entry is gone. These tools do 80% of the work. You just need to execute. Stop watching. Start building. Pick one tool, spend 30 minutes learning it today, and pitch one client this week. If this helped, follow for more AI money tips and subscribe. Let's get paid.